All right. In this video, we're going to be going over what's new in Lifter LMS 3.7. We have a new preview manager where you can view your website in different roles. But first, let's talk about solving the problem as a website administrator or a WordPress admin, being able to jump around and go wherever you want to go. We have a new setting for that. So if we look over in the back end, we can see down in the tools and utilities that you can give the administrator by default unrestricted preview access so they can look at absolutely everything even if they're not enrolled in the course. And if you want to add some other user roles, let's say you have a big site and you have an editor that helps you out and you want them to also have unrestricted preview access, you can add that as well. But in most cases, the administrator is all you really need for unrestricted access. Now, if we go back to the front end, when you're building a learning management system and you're building an online course, sometimes you want to check the user experience and see what the pages, the course page, the lesson page, or whatever looks like as yourself, as an admin, but you might also want to see what it looks like as a visitor or as a student. So if we look at the visitor, this is someone who comes to your website and is not logged in. Lifter LMS has two versions of the course description, and of course the pricing table is there. In this case, it's a free course. And the restrictions are there where the lessons are locked down except for the ones that were marked as free. So this way, it's just a quick way from the front end of the website. You just scroll up to the top right to view as a visitor and also check the sidebar there. Now, if we want to view as a student, they're going to be enrolled and they're going to have a different view of the course. You can see in this example, the course description is much longer. So we're using the two versions of the course description, one for the non-enrolled view and one for the enrolled view. So this is the enrolled view, which has a lot more text in it. You can see the student in this case is at 27% and has full access to the lessons in this case. And that is a quick tour of the new Lifter LMS Preview Manager in Lifter LMS 3.7.